The chassis is almost done. Got the box in, motor and box in. The old man's has been putting the brake lines back on for me. He's rebuilt the hubs. We just had to change the driver's side one. It was all flogged out, bearing wouldn't stay in there, the race. So about to chuck the cab on, or at least try to, so good times. Hey guys, I'm back. As you would have seen, Cruiser's sort of going back together finally, so doesn't look too bad. Just got the 33s of my Hilux on there just to get a bit of an idea, because we're still going to make these guards here a bit wider. So there's still a lot of things to do, but I just half pieced it together. So I'll just quickly show you now. So the cab and that still needs to be done, but that's going to be probably a next year project. So I sort of need to get this thing on the road and start using it again. So the chassis is all back together. Got the knuckle over there, the wheel hub, sorry, over there replaced. That one had spun a bearing, so the race wouldn't stay in the hub. That's been replaced. Everything's back together. Thank you to my old man. He's done all that. He loves doing all the messy jobs for me. But yeah, so she's pretty big. So the guards have to be widened a fair bit. So they're just 285 75 16s. So yeah, that's a good amount. So, but yeah, probably widen it, probably 90 mil or so, and then have some scrub bars down the side. Look pretty good, but yeah, it's a 2-inch lift with 33s, and well, to give you an idea, I'm not 6 foot or anything, but this is pretty fucking high. So yeah, just chuck the tray on. It's just a Honda Rodeo tray actually. Just aluminium one there, so you can change all your mounts on them really easy. So it was just a cheap option for me. And yeah, I've just cut the back end off, because these are just all slats, as you can sort of see. That's only sitting back there, but that will all get redone, look all nice and new. And then the headboard just needs to be raised a little bit just to clear the roof. So but yeah, it's getting there slowly, but yeah, she looks pretty good under there, have to admit. Pretty happy with how this is turning out. And yeah, motor fits quite well, nice and snug. Yeah, well, I'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye. Hey guys, Nathan Cruising Yours again. As you would have saw, just got this thing back to my place. A bit of a mission, maybe slightly illegal, but didn't have to go too far. It's only about a K, so not the easiest thing to push. But it's in here, so I can get the welder around. He's going to widen these guards for me. I think I'll put about 70, 80 mil in them. And then yeah, I might get him to fix a little bit of the rust while I'm going. And then yeah, I think I'm going to get him to modify the aluminium tray for me. Just do like a nice light panel at the back here. Yeah, the car's still regoed too, so I was sort of legal. It just was under tow because the drivetrain doesn't work at the moment. Yeah, so light panel, and move that headboard up, make that look a bit nicer because it's just a little bit below the roof line. But yeah, that's about it. So it's back home. Got to start tidying up the inside. I just want to, can't see, it's too dark. Just want to rust seal the floor. And then we can start getting like brake lines, clutch lines made, and get the engine all wired up to the dash. So hopefully should be done in the next few months, I think. Hopefully, I say that now, but who knows with me. But it's getting there, looking good. Oh, and excuse the bit of angle line, that was just my toe point. I just bolted it up quickly, and the good old stiff bars mangled that a bit, but it is what it is. I'll catch you guys next weekend. Bye-bye.